How to delete Reels history on Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can delete Reels history on Facebook. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get started. First, open up your Facebook and make sure you're logged in into your account. Then go to the menu on the bottom right. After you're on the menu section, you can tap on the settings icon on the top right here. And after you're there, what you'll then need to do is scroll down. Scroll down until you find activity log. It should be right here. There we go. Tap on activity log and you should be on your activity log. What you'll need to do is you will need to select your reels only. So from here, you can find activity history, and from here you can use the filter, you can use the category, and from here you can choose your Facebook activity and your reels. So from reels you can choose all the reels history, and you can simply select all of them and then delete it. So I can move it to bin from here, move it to recycle bin, and move it to recycle bin from here as well. And that's basically how you do it. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye. Take care.